So when I was in my final year in primary school, and this was one of the crucial points in my life, was I had an experience with the principal and deputy principal at that time, where they were interviewing me to be the head girl at the school. And they had asked me, why would I want to be the head girl? And I had said to them, my 12-year-old self had said to them that I'd like to be a role model for the English and the colored people at the school, because I feel that we're a minority and a lot of the students feel that they've got to hide themselves and that they can't do well at school. And I would like to be an example of that they can and that they can succeed, and especially because of the history of our country. And I remember that moment actually like it was yesterday. Funnily enough, I did some healing on this moment yesterday. And it was as though, and you know, being a sensitive person, you can feel when the energy shifts, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it was as though the entire room just went dark. And in that moment of the room going dark, I felt as though I had said the wrong thing, as though me expressing my truth and why I really was there was not allowed, and it was not welcome. And the principal looked at me, and as everyone can see, I'm quite a light-skinned person. And he said, and I said to him, "As you know, sir, I'm colored, so this is why it's so important to me." And after I had said that, he said, "Could have fooled me." And I knew then, yep, the sense that I got was what I said wasn't allowed. And needless to say, I didn't become the head girl at the school, despite there being a lot of support for me and a whole series of events. But that moment shook me, because what it did was it made me realize, oh, wow.